This is our first of our two, or one of our two final projects for Swift 1. So this is going to be the calculator. So we're going to turn your friendship calculator, BMI index calculator, or whatever custom calculator you guys made from the project 6E, and we are going to turn it into an actual app. So let's kind of get to work on this. So the first thing you're going to need is you are going to need to pull up your friendship calculator, BMI calculator, whatever you used. And we're going to have to change a few things to get this to work the way we want. We're going to do it a little bit of a long way so you guys can learn something new. So with functions, right now we're returning one value, so we're going to add an additional value to this. So whenever you want to add 2, 3, 4, 5 values, you have to put parentheses around them and put a comma in between each data type that you're going to return. That being said, there is a this is going to be the order that they show up in the program. So first thing we got to do is we are going to set each return statement as a constant. So, and we can set it as the same constant. So we're going to say let message, spell message right, let message equals, okay. Set a value for either a number, okay. In this case 1, because what we're going to do is for each number that's set, we are going to send out a different kind of statement into our app. Or you could, if you're doing the BMI calculator, you could also have this be the BMI number and return the actual BMI number instead of just in the statement. You can return it here. Or you can kind of customize it once you finish, get through this, and change it any way you want. And then what we're going to do is we are going to return, okay, and we are going to return message and number, okay. And we are going to put parentheses around this. And that should fix the error, okay. So this is going to return the message and the number, or whatever you want it to be. Okay, it doesn't necessarily have to be this. You can add things to it, and you can go nuts here. Okay, just remember, the more you add here, the more you add up here. So why don't you now go ahead and kind of do this for the rest of your program. Once you're done, you're going to take everything from the bracket on up to the function, and you are going to hit Command C to copy, and we are going to bring that over to our new program. Okay, so we're going to go into Xcode, go to File, New, and we're going to start a new project. We're going to keep it single view, go to next. You know, whatever you called your calculator, BMI, whatever. If it is going to be a generic name, make sure you put dash your name so you don't get it lost or confused with somebody else's project. Choose your folder. Let's set up our dual screen just kind of right away. So main.storyboard. We're going to close this for right now. We're going to open up this side, click on this button, click the gray part, click view controller, click on this side. You should get the main storyboard. If you don't, click on it and then it'll show up. So we're going to give ourselves some space. We are going to paste our function in here, okay, and then we're just going to kind of leave it alone. Okay, so we're going to be needing this space, possibly this space, and then this space. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to design the interface. So now, like I said, with this project, you can do it any way you want. Okay. I am going to set mine like this. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and if you don't know how to do that, just pinch. I can close this to give myself a little bit more space if you need to, but you're going to need this. So if you want to get rid of this for the moment, you can just click X and then you know how to bring it back. If you forget, go back in the video and find it. So we're going to add in some of the items that we're going to need. So we're going to need a text field, and we're going to need another text field, and we're going to need a couple labels. We're going to need a button, and we're going to need another button. I'm not going to worry about that right now, but this is kind of what we're going to need for right now. You can set these to be any size that you kind of want. You can't make them bigger as far as height, but you can make it width, kind of whatever. If you want to be very specific, you can go into the ruler, you can get the width. So let's just say, for sake, we want it to be 200. And 200, now they're even. And obviously you can adjust the XY axis up and down, depending on what you want to do. Okay, so let's go back here, and you can kind of set the sizes for these kind of however you want. This one is where I'm going to put my big message as far as what the string is going to say, so we're going to make that a little bit bigger. And then here's kind of the button to make the message appear, like a calculate button. You can move it back and forth and set it in the center of the whole thing. I am going to set emoji to this one, so you guys set it however you want. And you don't like it, change it.